All right, folks, hey, you can tell I'm in a different location. That's Topsail Beach in North Carolina. If you're a local, it's Topsail Beach. And today, I'm not going without notes, so this is all Rogue Joe here, but a lot of things going on. I went through an identity change this week. Okay, on Sunday, 10:06 p.m., I became a grandpa. First time grandpa. And that's why we're in North Carolina. My daughter and son-in-law live down here. He's a U.S. Marine, super proud of him. Shout out to all you folks in the armed services, keeping us safe. But yeah, pretty big change in my life. One of the things I was thinking about as I was listening to Azul. Azul is another YouTuber out there, guy with 20 years of, as a financial advisor. And I highly encourage you guys to tune in to Azul, A-Z-U-L. I think he's the only one out there if you type in Azul. You know, I was thinking as I was listening to his video today around one more year getting your identity from your work, and it just makes me laugh looking back at myself 5 years ago. I had a big job and I chose to walk away from that at the age of 54, and here 5 years later, I'm just Joe. I'm just grandpa. I love saying I'm just grandpa now. And that identity you get from work is really just your ego. I promise you 5 years, 10 years, probably 1 year, but definitely 5 years, 10 years, you're not gonna get your identity from your previous employment. You're going to be thinking about your relationships, those you love. You're going to think about being a grandpa or grandma, all the things going on in your life, your hobbies, your health. Those things are going to dominate your thought process. So getting trapped in one more year, to me, that's my plea to you, is when you get inside your software package, like New Retirement that I use, go for free 2 weeks below. When that says you can retire, jump. And I know that's easy for me to say, and I was having I'm going to give an example here. I was talking with my wife today. Once a year, I sit down with my wife and go through all of our finances, what decisions that I'm making. She has no interest at all of learning more. So I'm going through all our finances, and I'm talking about some areas where I'm taking risk, where I'm not taking risk. And I explain risk like this. I said, every day when you get in your car, you are taking a risk. You could die. I hate to be morbid, but you could die. You could be maimed. You could be disabled. You could kill somebody else. But we choose, based on our training, based on our knowledge, based on our experience, we choose to get in the car because we see value in getting to that destination. I think the same thing applies in retirement. Yes, some things could go wrong. You've got a 90% probability of success. Some things could go wrong. The whole world could come to an end. Okay? But let's talk about the other side of that coin. What is the upside? You could be in Topsail, North Carolina, watching your daughter go through the whole birthing process. We got down here on a Thursday. She had the baby on a Sunday. I don't know how long we're going to be here. I don't have a schedule. I don't need to be back for anything. But that freedom to live through that experience with my daughter and son-in-law, just absolutely priceless. Make sure you're looking at both sides of the coin. What can go wrong and what is the upside? That's my message to you. This is Grandpa Joe, out.